very excited कि मैं डेजी को बेगम जान के रूप में देखूँ. So I'm pretty excited about the show.
Your association with Daisy having a very friend?
Yeah, actually Daisy is a friend. हम कई बार मिल चुके हैं and there are a lot of people, in fact लोग जो ये शो बना रहे हैं वो भी बहुत अच्छे friends हैं. So yeah, it's gonna be great.
Would you like to talk about your upcoming projects or about your work?
Well, after Big Boss and Veera and everything, I think it's you know, I wish I could really say what I'm gonna do next because I'm gonna keep it a secret for a little while. But मैं काफ़ी श्योर हूँ कि जब भी मैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में कॉन्क्रीट अनाउंसमेंट करूँगी या मेकर्स करेंगे तो वो डेफिनेटली सबको बहुत लगेगी. Yes?
If you had a chance, would you like to work with Daisy's play?
Yeah, theatre मैंने पहले कभी theatre नहीं किया, so theatre is obviously very interesting. I would love to be a part anyway.
Thank you. Thanks for
Thank you.
much for working.
Thank you.
I've not seen the play. What to say? I would wish you all the best because I remember when I was also doing a play for the first time on stage. I have a stage fright, so if I could, pull through it, and she's a dancer and good actress, so I'm definitely sure it's going to turn out to be a very, very good play. No, I prefer. We'll see. Let this be her play. So, and Goofy Ji also, I know I worked with him. So he's a brilliant actor. So I think it's going to be a very interesting play. And she's a dancer. She's dancing in the play. So I think it's going to be a nice entertainment.
Well, very interesting. The concept is very interesting. The combination is very interesting. So fingers crossed. Waiting to see it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm very nervous, to be honest. Preparation हमारी 2 महीने से चल रही है. We've been practicing on the dance, on the dialogues, on the diction, and also the movements in the play. कौन सा कितने सारे कैमरास हैं? Who inspired? I think the character itself, because I've never played a courtesan in my South films or the Bollywood films that I've done. So it was a very challenging character, and the fact that I've not done something like this inspired me to do it.
You have been portraying like a modern girl. How was it like portraying a very ethnic and like Lucknowi type?
That's where the actual actor comes out. Like it's about being very true to what you are doing, whether it's the girl who's from the corporate world or the girl who's from a very small town. So it's actually the preparation is the mental thing which really works. Yes, I am dancing and I am acting in it. Yes.
How do you feel like it being on screen and on stage?
Only one thing that really scares the hell out of me is like theatre में there's no कोई retake का chance नहीं होता है, so it's like that one thing it's done and done. मतलब so you have to be thorough. आपको physically, mentally, thoroughly present होना पड़ता है वो situation में to enact the entire scene. क्योंकि अगर आपने एक शब्द गलत बोल दिया या आपने एक मूवमेंट गलत ले ली, क्योंकि आपके साथ और 2 जन भी काम कर रहे हैं स्टेज के ऊपर, अगर आपने एक गलत मूव ले लिया तो उनको उनकी क्यू सही नहीं मिलेगी. So it's not only that you're working with the awareness of yourself, you're also working with the awareness of others. Thank you so much. Thanks.